To take a look at this. We have some clouds that are increasing right now across the area, and those clouds will continue to increase. You know, we started today with a lot of cloud cover, and we'll start tomorrow the same way. Fairly quiet right now across the whole state of Texas. I mean, other than a few clouds scattered about here and there. It's just midnight tonight. Not much happening, but the position of this dry line and the fact that we have a strong cap in place tomorrow, that's really going to it's not going to eliminate our thunderstorm potential because we're going to have some rain. It's going to minimize it to some degree. With that dry line in far west Texas, as thunderstorms start to roll in, it'll take them a little while to get here. But with that strong cap in place, and that cap, you'll hear me talk about this dozens of times as we head through the next couple of months. But a cap it's an elevated mix layer. It's a warm layer of air aloft. And in order for thunderstorms to tower up, air has to cool as you rise in height throughout the atmosphere. If it cools, and then boom, all of a sudden you hit a warm layer of air, that's where your thunderstorm development will stop. And that warm layer of air, if it's 15, 20,000 feet, you won't have those big hail-producing thunderstorms, those tornado-producing thunderstorms, because those storms have to be 40,000 feet or higher. With that warm layer of air in place, they just can't tower up. So with that strong cap in place tomorrow, that's really going to shut thunderstorm activity down. So we're dry during the day. There's 4 p.m. out around Snyder, so just around or just to the west of Abilene. Watch there. There's 4 o'clock. There's the thunderstorms. Now that's 7 o'clock tomorrow night. So it's late day, but mainly tomorrow evening, thunderstorms will start to develop to the west of Dallas and Fort Worth. As those thunderstorms roll into that cap, the cap just kind of squishes those thunderstorms. So watch this. This is 7 o'clock. There's 7. See that? 8. Watch this. 9, 10. Now, I love it when a plan comes together, and hopefully this one comes together at 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So I've got, 40% of us will pick up some rain, but you can see how it's almost like a force field. They run into that strong cap, that force field, and they just poof, they just fall apart. We see that happen all the time. Hopefully that's the case tomorrow. If it's not the case and 1 or 2 of those are able to survive the cap, or there's a weakness in the cap, we could have some damaging winds, some large hail. I'm not even going to rule out an isolated tornado, but right now the cap looks like it shuts down the majority of that. We'll watch that development take place though. There we are. There's our severe weather threat. Higher out here because there's less of a cap, a little lower here because there's more of a cap. We've got one heck of a cap across most of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. There's 7 in the morning on Tuesday. The front moves through. Our severe weather threat on Tuesday, not in Dallas-Fort Worth or North Texas. It's really, this might be a bit of a bump to the west. I would say it's mainly in far east Texas with that severe weather threat. The forecast tonight, no severe storms, dry, breezy, muggy, 68's the low tonight. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, a windy, warm, humid day. We hit 80 tomorrow. There's the next 14. There's that rain Monday night, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are dry. Little chance of rain on Friday. Better chance for some thunderstorms on Saturday. A little leftover rain on Sunday. Dry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then another chance of rain the following Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.